and your baby were physically connected for a long time. After birth, it is joyous to hold your baby and to see their beautiful face. Welcoming this new life into the world is a celebration. But at times you may feel an emptiness after you no longer carry this life within you. This is completely normal, and it is an expression of unconditional love. This is why it is very important to hold your baby often and as close to your heart as possible, skin to skin, feeling how the connection between you continues to thrive. Hold your baby close and frequently whenever you or the baby needs connection. Feel their breath against yours and breathe in unison with them at times. Notice how their belly expands like a small balloon when they inhale, just as you did at the beginning of this meditation. This is the most natural way to breathe, and babies know exactly how to do this. When your baby is looking around at the world, gaze deeply into their beautiful eyes and connect with this soul you have invited into this world through co-creation. Their eyes look around for connection, so making honest and loving eye contact is one of the most important things in their fresh lives. The connection a mother and child share is so precious and unique that it is felt for a lifetime. When you hold your child, you can feel the connection between your souls as infinite. Saying to yourself now, "My baby is happy and healthy." I know exactly when my baby needs me because the connection between us is so deep. My baby trusts me fully because I am all that they know. My presence is all that my baby needs. No amount of toys, clothes, or material objects can replace the connection between a mother and her baby. My baby supports me, and I support my baby. My baby knows that I am exactly what they need, and I know that my baby is exactly what I need.